So for the purpose of this tutorial, we are going to walk through a hypothetical e-signing. I'm going to first walk through on the computer, and then we're going to show you how it looks when it actually arrives at the individual's cell phone. So once we walk through the intake with the client and we make a determination that they are technically eligible and we do wish to retain them as far as medical eligibility, we then want to make sure that we can get them out of e-retainer. So we want to make sure that all these forms are appropriately filled out. We continue on down the line. Determination was made again that this is in fact an individual that we do want to sign on. So the next step is to retain them. We really want to strive towards retaining the individual while we have them on the phone. I know this is difficult, and trust me, I've done it a number of times as well, but it is extremely important. So again, we're going to go to the top tab where it says e-sign. We're going to select the recipients, and we go send e-sign. Well, we've got the client on the phone. We can tell them, hey, you should be receiving a text message and an email to the appropriate addresses that were listed. And my phone just rang, and we're going to take a look at what was received here. So we can see that I received a text message. When I open it up, hi Alex, please review and sign the attached contract. Click here. When I click here, it pulls me up to the HelloSign website, which shows the entire document. In order to get started right away, I simply click the next button at the top of the screen, and then it takes me directly to the box that's necessary for me to sign in. When I click on that box, it prompts me to use my finger to e-sign. One thing that's a lot easier is if we tell the client to rotate the screen sideways, hamburger style, and then sign with their fingers so they have a larger area to sign in. When I do this, I hit insert everywhere. It says saving signature, and I can hit continue. When I do hit continue, it will take us to the next screen where the potential client simply needs to hit confirm, and we get confirmation that the documents were received. Our automated system then follows up with a text message just saying, Dear Alex, Tayback Law has received your signed representation packet. Give us a call to complete your application. Now, another nice thing about Lawruler is that it automatically changes the status from e-sign sent to e-sign received, letting us know that the packet has been received and that the next step in the process needs to be completed. So in the next part of this tutorial, we're going to talk about what forms are included in the retainer packet that we're electronically sending our potential clients. The first page of the retainer packet is a cover letter which simply outlines each and every page of the retainer packet. The second page is the fee agreement, and this is extremely important that we all have a very good grasp on. The retainer packet for Tayback Law states that an individual who wins their Social Security disability claim only pays 25% of their back pay in the case that they win. If we are unsuccessful in representing their claim, they do not owe us a single dollar. Additionally, we do not get benefits from their ongoing Social Security disability. The next form is called the 1696, or Acceptance of Appointment of Rep, which simply lets the Social Security Administration know that Tayback Law and the accompanying attorney are its representative. The next form in the packet is a 2-page authorization for release of medical information, which allows us to gather the necessary information to prove a claim of Social Security disability. The second to last page of the packet is the authorization to disclose information to SSA. This form is used by SSA to obtain medical and other information needed to determine whether or not the claimant is disabled. And finally, the last page of the packet allows Tayback Law the ability to work with Medicare on the claimant's behalf if indeed they are approved for Social Security disability insurance. Thank you for taking the time to listen to this quick tutorial. Please don't hesitate to ask myself or one of the managers if you have any questions at all regarding the fee agreement.